Good old snow. I guess living out here, shoveling snow be a full-time job, huh? During the winter months. You never get enough of it. You be like, damn, I'm tired of shoveling. I just did it like 30 minutes ago. Well, hell, it's covered up again, and get your ass up there and do it again. Parked all crooked. No, I'm straight. Straight enough. Get up in the morning, my truck will be covered with snow. -6, -10. Yep, it gets cold. I don't say anybody can live out here. I saw a rabbit today. I was like, where the hell that damn thing come from? My tail lights all covered up. Everything got ice on it. Well, not ice, but snow. I guess you live out this way, you probably somebody says, let's have a snowball fight. You know what I mean? And you'd be like, that's like old news. That's not like Oklahoma where you get snow and it's there for like 2 or 3 days the most and it's gone. I heard a snowball fight war could last weeks. You know? Like, I ain't done yet. Crap, it's cold. But I'm hungry. I need to eat something.